Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashish Johan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this photo we are going to create a very professional model like photo manipulation with a very moody tone and a very famous Instagram look like photographs. So before wasting any time, just press the like button on this video, and just if you haven't just subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and just press the bell icon so that you will notify whenever I post new video, and log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, PNG, color lookup, camera preset, Lightroom preset, every kind of photo editing stuff for free. Let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the image which you want to edit. First of all, you need to do is just click the image in such a way that model is sitting on the ground, and outfit is very important in this photo. So just click your photo in this kind of pose and just wear this kind of coat or black blazer like. Now let's select the photograph by using the quick selection tool from this toolbox, and click on this plus icon. Just scroll all over the subject's body to make it selection on the body subject. Now let's press the right click on it subject to make the duplication. So select the layer by copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make the duplication of that perfect selection or the particular selection. Here you can see that we have made a selection of this layer. Now duplicate the background layer because we want to get the originalism on the ground, so we are duplicating the layer on the background. Now let's open the background which we want to add. So I'll go to the file, click on open, and let's browse the background. So here we have opened the background which we want to add. Let's just drag it and drop over this tab to make it selected. Now you can adjust the background which you want in your image. You can increase or decrease the size. We will remove the background. Just place it anywhere else. Wherever you want to place it, you can place it. You can press Ctrl T and enlarge the image if you want to make it more. So finally here we have completed our placing the background. So let's just select the Ctrl and left click of the mouse to crop it the perfect desired selection. Just press crop tool to crop the image. Now let's select still we will just move a little bit. Now press crop tool to crop the image. Now all we have to do is just add this layer mask to the subject, to the layer. Select the brush tool and just make sure you have selected the black color from here. Increase the size of the brush and select the soft round brush, and just remove the background from here, just like this. And here we will just stretch the background, so we will just select the Mark Q tool and press Ctrl T. Just stretch it a little bit, so it will automatically stretch the background. and again select the mask tool and just erase this black portion from here, and that's it. So here we have almost completed our placing the subject on the background. Now all we have to do is just blur the edge of the subject, which we usually do in every kind of, whenever we edit we do this thing. First of all, we will just select the smudge tool from here and just make the hairs of the subject very smooth. So let's just make the hairs. So here we have almost completed our smudging of the hairs on the subject. Now all we have to do is just now we will add some LUTs to the photograph. First of all, we will blur the edge of the subject. So we'll select the blur tool and select the hard round brush and select the strength to around 70%. First of all, create new layer, select create clipping mask, select the brush tool and just paint on the edge of the subject on the nearest portion to the black color. Just like this way, you have to paint it to black color. Because this will make your subject look more natural and realistic, cutting the edge. So we are painting the edge of the subject. Now just merge both the layers and select the blur tool from here and just select the hard round brush and just blur it a little bit. Make the strength to around 50%. And just blur it a little bit. Just one time you have to give the strokes. Just like this. Also do the same thing on this area also. Just make sure that no part of the subject is remaining to make it blur. Also on the face area also you have to blur the hairs and ears, everything. You have to blur it. So finally here we have almost completed our blurring process. Now all we're gonna do is just add some LUTs to the photograph. So we'll just go to the filter, select the solid color and just make it more black. Select black color from here and just go to the mask layer and just paint it black. Decrease the opacity. So this will create a vignette look on the photograph. Now let's go to the color lookup and select any kind of LUTs. Let's select one of the LUTs file. Oh, this would be perfect. You can increase the saturation. If you want to increase the opacity, you can. Let's make it more, erase some more portion from here. Press Ctrl D and enlarge the image. Or let's select the crop tool and just let's select the clone tool and just make it the clone copy of here. So here we have almost done. So let's select the levels from here and click on this clipping mask. And you can adjust the lightness or the contrast from here. Here you can see the before and after effect. Let's select the mask layer and delete. So finally here we have almost completed our editing process. You can decrease your sum of the loop or the effect if you want to decrease. You can decrease the exposure also. So finally here we have completed our editing process. Let's select and erase some kind of black color from here. Now let's merge all the layers from here. Now press crop tool to crop it. Again duplicate the layer of this file. Go to the filter, select camera filter, and again add some vignette to the photograph. So go to the FX tab and just add some vignette on the photo. And just press OK. Now let's delete some of the portions. So select eraser tool and just you can delete it, or else you can select the mask file, create a clipping mask and select the black color. And just erase the unwanted area which you don't want. You can erase it. So this is how we have, created or added vignette on this photograph. Here you can see the before and after effect. It really looks very stunning and a realistic moody photo of the Instagram. Just merge the layers. So here is the before and after effect. It really looks very amazing Instagram photo. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and also share it with all your friends so that they can also be helpful. And if you haven't pressed the bell icon, then press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new video, and log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, PNG, color lookup, every kind of photo editing stuff for free. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.